Alright, we are here to vacuum today with my Proteam Super Coach, which is becoming one of my favorite vacuums. Seriously, I love these things. For commercial use, they're my favorites. We're going to be using the Sidewinder wand, which has recently impressed me a little bit. I want to see how it does with salt before I give it the all-around thumbs up, because salt is something I encounter a lot. So I'm going to be using the standard wand for between the sanctuary chair rows, because those are just easier to go 2 long passes through instead of side to side constantly. And then we use a Sidewinder for everything else, because everything else is pretty wide open. So anyways, we will get started here. Alright, I think that is it. So this had dirt in it, but there was no dirt level, so it was pretty much empty. There was just dirt on the sides. So I already checked, we filled it up about 1/3 of the way, I'd say. 1/3. So probably about 3 quarts, 2.5 to 3 quarts of dirt. Yeah, we still picked up a bunch, but it was definitely not as dirty as last time. Last time it was a lot dirtier. So this time it was actually reasonable. It was definitely still a bit dirty, but that could have been after service dirt. So, I mean, not too bad this time. Still a little bit of dirt, but definitely nowhere near as bad as last time. So that's actually a good thing. Time for the conclusion part of the video. So how did this do? So obviously it wasn't as bad as last time we vacuumed here, or I did. The Sidewinder tool has really been growing on me lately, and that's because I've actually taken some time now to figure out how to best use it efficiently. You know, because you can't use it like you used a traditional wand. At least I can't. I needed to create a whole new vacuuming form and style with it to make it work. Some of it was just today that I learned a new form for it today that seems to be working pretty well. So I think I still prefer the traditional wand for getting in between long chair rows, because it can still get under stuff and around stuff better because of the S style. So for getting if you have to get under a lot of chairs and tables, like a lot of them, I'd still go with the traditional wand. But as far as wide spaces and just getting the job done quickly, I think I prefer the Sidewinder now. I think the Sidewinder has really been growing on me lately. I want to see how it does with salt before I really give it the 2 thumbs up. Its dirt pickup is great. It's actually been filling up bags pretty quickly on the proteam at work. But like I could go 3 times, I could vacuum after 3 service worths and the bag is full, like 7 quarts, 2/3 full. So the Sidewinder is becoming like my favorite primary wand, but it doesn't completely replace the traditional S style. I still would rather use the S style wand in some scenarios, but as far as cleaning churches and schools, I'd say I'd rather be using the Sidewinder most of the time, with the exception of a few areas. As I said, you really have to take the time to learn how to use the Sidewinder efficiently so that it's cleaning fast enough, but you're still moving fast. As I said, it's a huge energy saver. It actually makes vacuuming with the backpack vacuum more fun than a traditional wand. As much as I like that multi-service tool, it is quite tiring to use after a while. But this one, I could go for hours. So anyway, that's my 2 cents for this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.